Tezos technical analysis for everybody here, looking at the XTZ USDT prices. Thank you so much for joining me. My name is Rocky Outcrop. This, of course, is the premier show for crypto technical analysis on the internet. Be sure to like and subscribe and come back for more of this in the future. Normally, my face appears in the corner of the screen or somewhere here for you to goggle at, but I'm not here at the minute because of battery issues. Anyway, it's okay. My phone's in good condition. It hasn't been battered too badly, but the battery has definitely done some whatever. Looking at this chart, whoops, I forgot what I was doing there. Forgot what it was all about. Right, okay. Tezos technical analysis. XTZ USDT, this is the 4-hour chart. We've seen a downward move happen. We've had a high followed by lows, followed by lower highs, followed by lower lows. So far, this looks like it could be another lower high, and that is partly because the price is at 347 and not above 365 right now. Of course, that has plenty of scope to change in the near future. Of the big range that we're looking at, really laid out by the Donchian channels, I think is a fairly good one to be looking at. At the high side, the risk increases dramatically beyond our previous highs of $5.12, and towards the downside, the risk increases dramatically beyond the 291 area. And really, this is pushed it as far as we need it to be pushed in order to make some assertions about price action. Here we can see that if I put all the drawings back on, that the prices did come back down and retest this previous consolidation wedge effort thing that we had on the go, and then we actually also knocked off a couple of Fibonacci numbers, including the 382 Fibonacci retracement point on a larger time frame basis here for us. No, the 50% one. Wrong. Oh my goodness, I looked like such a fool. Just jokes. And we've also done some other ones, and I'll be showing you them in a second. The key areas for us to be aware of, like I was saying before, is 357, but really 364 in terms of we could see bounces up to there and then coming back down and not actually managing to break this. So this is the area, but 350 to 365, 355 to 365. Next area up, 420, call it if you want to, sort of for a laugh or getting high, but as well, of course, 340 or 430. 435 really is your next area up the way to be aware of, and then the key target where I expect to find resistance at from this point now is going to be in there at 475, and when this changes then things get very, very good. If I just go forwards or undo or something like that, then I'll bring on the Fibonacci's that I removed a second ago to show you. There's one and there's t'other. So in terms of the downward movement from the highs that we had down to the lows over there, we're actually just in it around about the 236 Fibonacci, but we're breaking down below it right now, and that's not great to see. We could see the prices go on down towards all the threes at this stage. 333 would be my next target, I suppose, if we do actually not manage to make it above that. We are resting on this 50% Fibonacci retracement point that we already looked at a second ago, so that's decent, and we know that this is an area to be aware of. VPVR drops off and shows us we can get back up above this fairly easily. Let's see if that can happen. If not, then we could be resuming looking at the 618 golden pocket down there at 315, etc., and all the rest of that sort of thing. And of course, as you can see, we're below the 50% right now, so this whole zone up to 365 is important. But looking at this Fibonacci, this is from previous lows up to the highs. The 236 lines up perfectly with the 618 golden pocket on the two Fibonacci's, and when you see this happening, as is so often the case, then that obviously speaks for itself as the importance of that target. That comes in there around about 470. Now moving past that does lead on to other bright and positive things happening. The next target actually towards the top side would therefore at that stage become $7.42. So that's not too bad, but let's not push it any more than we have to already. We've already done as maximum as what we ever wanted to see happen. Really, and yeah, check out all the previous episodes as well. I suppose that'll maybe do for that one. That'll do for that one. So there was a couple of requests